Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Monday.com for managing personal tasks in 2024. So, Monday.com is a highly flexible platform designed to keep you organized. It helps you to track tasks and boost your productivity. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps needed to start using Monday.com for managing personal tasks efficiently. Before you dive in, be sure to watch this video from the beginning to end so you don't miss any important tips or features. Now let's get going. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the search bar, type in monday.com and log into monday.com using your user credentials. And if you don't have an account on monday.com, sign up by creating an account and you'll be on dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, we'll begin by creating a dedicated workspace for your personal tasks. This workspace will act as your centralized hub for organizing and managing your to-do lists. To create a new workspace, click on the three dots icon just after main workspace and click on add new workspace. You can name it whatever you like. Let's call it personal tasks. Set the privacy of this board as open so that it's accessible to anyone in your account. And click on add workspace button. Next, we'll set up task board within your new workspace. This board will help you to categorize and prioritize tasks based on different aspects of your life such as work, home or hobbies. To do this, click on this plus icon just under this three-dotted icon. Click on board. Now, give the board a relevant name. Let's use work tasks as an example. You can choose whether this board will be main, private or shareable, depending on your preference. For this example, let's make it main, which is visible to everyone in the account. So after doing this, click on create board. Now a new board will be created. Now it's time to create task cards. These represent individual tasks and allow you to include details such as task names, due dates, priority levels, and any notes or attachments. So let's create a task card by clicking the add item button here. For instance, name the tasks something like complete project proposal. Now set the due date. In the date section, click on the plus icon and choose a due date for this task. Once the task card is created, you can update its status by choosing options like done, stuck or working on it. You can also assign this task to yourself or somebody else by clicking on the person column and choose whom are you going to assign this task to. So I will assign this task to myself. Now you can further customize the task board by adding more columns. So click on the add column button just after that task and for example, you can add columns for a status, assignee, label, even time tracking to suit your needs. These columns will help you capture all relevant information for each task. After customizing the board, you can prioritize tasks by assigning due dates and deadlines to ensure they are completed on time. To get better overview, consider using calendar view to visualize your upcoming task. And in order to get calendar view, click on this plus add view icon and choose calendar. Now, the group that you will have created here will be linked with this calendar view and you will get all the already existing items, person, task and these groups linked with this calendar view. Now if you're collaborating with others such as family members or co-workers, you can assign tasks to specific individuals. Simply select the person column and choose who will be responsible for each task. You can also leave comments for better communication and collaboration by clicking on this plus icon here and write a comment for that task. Now, you can also track the progress of your tasks by regularly updating their status. You can use features like checklists to break larger tasks into manageable subtasks. This helps you keep everything organized and ensures you're making progress. Monday.com also offers automation features to simplify your task management. You can click on integrate and navigate to board automations. You can set up reminders, automate recurring tasks, and trigger specific actions based on preset conditions. To do this, you'll have to navigate to the board automation tab and click on the add automation button. You can explore different available options for your automation. Select a template or create your custom automation for your needs. In addition to automation, you can integrate Monday.com with other tools you use for personal productivity, such as calendar, apps, or note-taking platforms. Explore the integration tab to connect Monday.com with your favorite tool. Once you've set everything up, periodically view your task board to evaluate progress, reflect on completed tasks, identify any challenges, and make adjustment to your workflow if necessary. Don't forget to celebrate your accomplishments and use your insights to improve your task management approach over time. Consistency is the key. Regularly updating your task board and reviewing your upcoming tasks will help you stay on the top of things. As you gain experience, adapt your setup to better fit your needs and preferences. Congratulations! You now know how to use Monday.com for personal tasks. By using these powerful features, you'll be able to stay organized and boost your productivity. Take advantage of Monday.com's tools and enjoy the benefit of efficient personal task management. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.